Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your phone supports Esim and that you have an active cellular plan. This matters because voice routing depends on the carrier profile. Scan the carrier QR or enter the activation code in the Esim setup flow or use the carrier app. Once done, assign that profile as an active line and make sure cellular data and voice are enabled for it. This first step gets your device visible to the network and ready to place calls. Now configure how your phone uses the new Esim for calls so you avoid dropped or misrouted calls. Choose the default voice line in phone or cellular settings and enable VO LTE or HD voice to maintain call quality. Carriers require this for modern calling. Also turn on Wi-Fi calling to improve indoor reliability and set caller ID and voicemail linked to the Esim. Once configured, restart the device to ensure the network adopts the new settings and signaling. Finally, place a test call to verify voice, hold, and call transfer features. You should hear immediate connection if the Esim and network registered correctly. If the call fails, toggle airplane mode briefly, restart the phone, and reselect the Esim as the active voice line because a fresh registration often resolves signaling issues. If problems remain, gather the Esim IXID and device IMEI and contact your carrier. This allows them to check provisioning and network registration on their side for a fast resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.